Thank you so much, Siddharth sir. Now, we Time2Grow Media feel that these memories should be long lasting, as Dr. Abdullah has shared with us that he's been to Nagpur first time. So the memories will be long lasting. So I request dear Manmeet sir and Dr. Shashi to offer a token of love from our side. I request Dr. Manmeet sir to offer token of love to Dr. Abdullah.
Sir.
Now I would like to request Dr. Shashi to offer token of love to Preeti ma'am. Now I would like to request Manmeet sir to offer a token of love to Shri Dr. 𝗙𝗵𝗸𝗲 ji. I would like to call upon Manmeet sir to give token of love to Siddharth sir.
Today's special guest, Dr. 𝗟𝗶𝗸𝗲 sir. Brief introduction about sir. Sir is the BCom and MBA diploma in computers from University of Pennsylvania, USA, PhD in philosophy, 1.5 decades of experience in education and educating young India, managing director and promoter to 𝗙𝐺cy School, director in 3 companies with different portfolios, director in Guru Nanak Group of Institution in India. Sir, thank you so much for coming today and gracing the occasion. We request you to come on the dais, please sir. Thank you, 𝗙𝗵𝗸𝗲 sir, for giving your precious time.